We started this experience when my boss asked me to take on this job. I'm not at all a BI guy, I'm not at all an analyst. Coming from business, I've got 15 years of experience with Cisco in management position. And well, it was a brand new challenge for us. The mission I received from my boss is really to deliver insight to the different users, right? Not data, not reports, real insight. And typically in a few weeks after starting this job, I looked at the problems and the challenges and the silos. I get back to my boss with my resignation letter, telling him, look, I cannot do much with that except if you give me your full buy-in, executive sponsorship, and you give me a blank check to shake the tree. Thanks to Tableau, we've been really able to change the game there and to offer answers to anticipate questions that those guys may have. Prior to Tableau, we were relying on Excel reports and thousands of them that were produced by our traditional BI teams. And the problem was, when you are in the field, you do not have time to crunch Excel, you do not have time to look at the data and do everything yourself. You just need answer to your question. For the audiences, which is the account manager, the SEs and the channel account manager that we are supporting, which is our primary audience, it was really a game changer. So those guys do not have time and do not necessarily like to consume data. They do not have time usually in their day, but looking at data and identifying the patterns of a graphic has really helped them to understand the story, to understand what's going on, to understand what are the actions they have to take in order to make a difference and create a business impact. We totally fall in love with Tableau and the promises that you have to offer actionable, readily available data that everybody can consume. Not only the analysts, not only the power users, but everybody in an organization.